is going to be about angles, everything you need to know about angles and how to find angles in photography. My first angle will be that grass over there. Camera setup right here. So first angle is going to be from the top down, and then my second angle is going to be from bottom up. And then you guys can see the difference between angles. So I honestly prefer bottom up, so like that. But I'll let you guys I'll show you guys the results in just a second. Let me just adjust my camera here. Okay. Okay, so I just got the picture. So there is the picture. It looks pretty decent, I think. So yeah, let's just change the camera angle a little bit and I'll be right back. So for now, for this shot, I have it set a lot lower so that, yeah, I get a different angle. So I need to lift it up just a little bit, just like that. Now I am gonna use a flash for this one because of, or else it's just gonna blend in with the mountain. And this way you light up everything in front of the mountain, but not the mountain itself. So the mountain should be pretty dark then. So yeah, this is gonna be taken in just a moment here. Okay, there we go. That was just the flash. I really enjoyed that picture. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys the picture right there, and then I'll just show you guys the next photo. So in this shot, I'm gonna go for the path, like a leading line through it. So which I will mention in the next video what a leading line is. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna take this photo here with this camera again, going through that picture. So that's kind of what I want, but now I'm going to take two angles again. So first it's going to be a high angle, and then it's going to be another low angle. So let's just get straight to it. Okay, so I'm just setting the timer again on like 5 seconds or something like that. Okay, picture just came in. It looks pretty cool for the video. So there it is. That's going to be the high angle one. And now I'm going to put the camera a little lower and then shoot the low angle one. So right now I have it at a much lower angle. So now I'm gonna take the photo, and then once I have the photo ready, I will show that to you guys again. Okay, timer is set. I am being eaten here by mosquitoes, which is so annoying, but whatever. Just got a mosquito bite again. I hate mosquitoes. Okay, picture just came in. There is the picture. Hope you guys liked it. So yeah. So before I wrap up the video, I do kind of want to give you guys this really cool experience that not a lot of people get to see, because what I'm doing is also a lot of mobile photography, so not everybody is able to see through a viewfinder. So that's what I'm going to give you now, that experience. So that, my friend, is called a viewfinder. So down there, the 20 is the 20th of a second, f-stop 3.5, and then that one, the other dial down on the right all the way is my what's it called? That's called the stop meter. See, if I spin the shutter speed, for example, it's moving. If I'm gonna move my f-stop, it's gonna move also. So that's kind of cool. I have all the information I need right in front of my eye. So I love cameras for this reason. You know, they're great and everything. But now I'm gonna just wrap up the video. That's something I just wanted to show you guys really quickly, what a viewfinder looked like in an old camera from 2015. Not much has changed in the newer cameras, but yeah, my channel is also rated for mobile photography. Most of my tips you can do on mobile photography as well, so subscribe to the channel for that kind of stuff. You don't always need a DSLR, but I do recommend getting a DSLR if you have the money to do so, because a DSLR really does improve your quality of your pictures. For example, I have a 2016 mobile phone, while it's a 2005 DSLR, but the DSLR still beats in my eyes, in my opinion, because it is just a DSLR. It's always gonna beat a mobile. So mirrorless and DSLRs are gonna be able to beat mobile phones every single day. Why? Let me tell you guys, because that's the beauty of the lens. The lens, look how big this lens is. The lens is just huge on this thing. And you can just do, for example, I can zoom in without losing any quality up to 70 millimeters, while a phone usually can only go to like, let's say, if you have three cameras on your phones, you usually can only do a 12 millimeter, 20, and a 50. So this thing can go up to 70 millimeters without losing any quality of your picture. So that's why I love DSLRs, because of the lenses and all that. You pay for quality for it. And also in here, the light sensor is going to be so much bigger than your mobile phone. The mobile phone light sensor is usually around this big. It's cropped to a certain point. It's just terrible. While on DSLRs that are usually at least this big. So, you know, according to this is a big difference. But I'm just going to wrap up the video now. It's been a long rant, but yeah, I'm going to wrap up the video now. So if you liked the video, then press the like button down below. Dislike it if you didn't like it. Also, subscribe to the channel if you like the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.